My mommy loves to go at work, and she is always on the phone with a lot of people. Be amazing!
Dad is a very serious man. He likes his work.
Apes with one. Type something.
What does mommy do for work? What is it called?
You.
Marketing stuff.
They put a headset on all day long. Paint pencils.
Paint pictures?
He calls his team, and then he talks about what to do.
My mommy does sales in Veeam software and she has a great team.
Quite honestly, I think she lost her job recently. She used to travel all the time and be gone all the time, and now she's here all the time.
What you do? Or something techie like that?
The clouds! Black and blue color and blue color!
Ik denk dat het data management is dat mensen de data aan de mensen verkopen of vertellen wat het eigenlijk is.
I don't know how to explain it. I kind of don't know.
Это облачки хранят какие-то данные. Selling merchandise.
Who? Airship.
With Cloud Data Management, Veeam can help you secure your data. Veeam takes your data from the cloud and protects it. We can handle any workload to any cloud, to any app, to any platform. Just style to your business.
Мушки. Вот такая.
Она сильная, да, у тебя мама?
Я сильная, потому что по болтливости еще ум, наверное, и знание, как починить компьютер.
My dad has courage, and my mom, she likes working with children.
You type really fast. Living power.
Mind reading. Being able to work from anywhere.
She gets really smart.
Well, that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.